Hello guys, I am alone in the forest. Can you help me find some friends to me? Yo, yo, come on, let's go. Let's find it. Whoa, it's a dangerous forest. Oh, we see the rifle here. Whoa, whoa, look at this. Ooh. Who are you? We found a hedgehog. Let's see, we find hedgehog. Okay, it's great. So we search another. Shh. You see? Whoa. Who is this? It's a metal sonic. Whoa. Zoo boo 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 metal sonic. Let's skip it. Let's search the other. Whoa. It's a big river. So let's close. Go. Oh, we found. Wait. Whoa. We found a silver the hedgehog. Let's see. Ooh, it's great. Oh, oops. Being close, being close. Whoa, at the shadow, right? Yellow shadow, the hedgehog. Or Sonic from Temu, I don't know. But let's keep it. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a great Sonic I found in the forest and the river. Oh, let's skip you guys. Come. We found two Sonic again. Let's see. It's Mild Hedgehog. Ooh. And of course, the Sonic one, a blue Sonic the Hedgehog. Okay, the last one I think is a red Sonic, or I forget your name. I think you research your name again later. So we found. Oh, come on up. Ooh. On the river and the forest, we collect them. Whoa. Okay, take a look close. Miles, Tails, the Hedgehog, Sonic, the blue one, Hedgehog, Jet the Hawk, and the red one, I forget your name, but no problem. So I think it's a silver, the Hedgehog, or Sonic from Temu. I don't know. Comment below if you know the name of the Sonic. Metal Sonic and the Shadow. I think it is Shadow, right? I'll forget the name. Please comment below if you know the name of the Sonic one. So let's count it. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 Sonic figure I found in the forest and the river here. So it's amazing, guys. And you see, wow. Okay, let's search the other figure next time. Bye.